Big dreams always come with bigger challenges. But Dubai has always proved that nothing is impossible if you have a strong heart to face any challenge coming your way. Whether it was constructing the luxurious hotel Burj Al Arab or the world's tallest tower, the Burj Khalifa, Dubai made it possible. But out of all, building an artificial island was the biggest and the toughest. Hello guys and welcome to yet another exciting episode of the Superlatives. और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट मैन मेड आइलैंड के बारे में। जी हाँ, आपने सही सुना, वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट मैन मेड आइलैंड, द पाम जुमीरा ऑफ दुबई। While most of the journeys begin with lots of excitement and enthusiasm, the story of Palm Jumeirah emerged from a problem. Dubai, which is a city known for its oil trades, foresaw the future, calculating that by 2016 their oil reserves would go empty. So they needed to find a way to save their country's economy. Dubai had everything, beautiful landscapes and glorious beaches, which makes it a perfect tourist spot. Though Dubai got around 5 million visitors per year, it wasn't enough to save the country's economy. That's why they aimed to make it 15 million tourists per year. But then another problem came up. There wasn't enough space to host that many tourists in Dubai. Hence, they needed more land. But as Dubai is mostly surrounded by seas, the only solution was an island. The maths was done and a budget of $2 billion was sanctioned. As soon as the Crown Prince of Dubai, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, ordered the construction of the world's largest artificial island. It began with designing the island, and the task was given to Sultan Ahmed bin Sulaym. He came up with a circular design that could have added an area of 7 kilometers to the shore. But the Crown Prince wasn't satisfied with this, as he wanted it to be bigger. Therefore, he himself worked on the design and finally came up with the idea of building a palm tree-shaped island, which could have increased the coastline by 56 kilometers. This was enough to attract tourists from all around the world. The island needed to be high and strong enough to withstand the strong desert winds, tidal surges, effects of the rise in the sea level, and the biggest of all storms that hit Dubai once in every 100 years. The challenges increased when the Crown Prince demanded the island to be made completely of natural resources. Barges, tugboats, 30 heavy land-based machines, and 10 floating cranes started building the massive sea wall, while the high-tech dredges began the work of sea flooring. Around 40,000 tons of rocks were delivered from the quarries to the bedrock by each floating crane. इस मेगा प्रोजेक्ट की मजबूती के लिए हर एक रॉक की डेंसिटी और वेट चेक की गई थी। और बस इतना ही नहीं, क्रेन्स के द्वारा रॉक्स बिछाते वक्त ये भी ध्यान में रखा गया था कि हर एक रॉक पीस एक दूसरे से इंटरलॉक्ड हो, ताकि इससे किसी भी जगह से कोई भी पत्थर जरा सा भी ना फिसले। Divers were assigned deep below the island in the sea water at every 27 meters to check whether the rocks were perfectly arranged to withstand the giant waves and storms. After 6 months of rigorous work, 4.5 kilometers of breakwater was ready. But the winter came with the Shamal storms, जो कि दुबई के सबसे बड़े तूफानों में से एक है। कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम फिर से रुक गया, पर इस तूफान ने इंजीनियर्स को इस बात का प्रूफ दे दिया कि the breakwater they built was strong enough. In April 2002, the first 550 meters of the island was now above sea level by 3 meters. The next task was laying sand. पर दुबई में सैंड abundance होने के बावजूद engineers इसकी रेत यूज नहीं कर पाए, as the sand found in Dubai was too fine to hold on to each other. इसलिए ड्रेजेस के सहारे सही किस्म की रेत मंगवाई गई. The high-tech dredgers made the process of collection and spreading of the sand easy and efficient. As the Palm Island began to get its shape, इसकी निगरानी स्पेस से की जा रही थी with the help of a private satellite which was owned by Dubai. इसके साथ साथ 5 लोगों की टीम GPS लिए हर रोज पूरे आइलैंड का चक्कर लगाते थे to ensure that the island gets its perfect shape. Further, 2 4-lane bridges were built to allow the movement of fresh water throughout the island. Once the purity of the water was ensured, the machines worked round the clock, and by August 2003, construction of the breakwater was complete. Around 94 million cubic meters of sand was spread, and 5.5 million cubic meters of rocks were laid to build the breakwater. And by October 2003, the island was in its full shape, boasting one of the toughest artworks of engineering. But the plan was to build a city, housing 4,000 houses and apartments, malls, restaurants, resorts and many more. But building structures over sand was almost an impossible task, as sand is very unstable. Moreover, दुबई में earthquake prone regions बहुत ही करीब हैं, जिससे और भी रिस्क सामने आए थे। फिर भी इंजीनियर्स ने हार नहीं मानी। To tackle the problem, पाम आइलैंड को ठोस बनाने का तरीका ढूंढा। उन्होंने वाइब्रेटिंग ड्रिल्स के सहारे जमीन पर तकरीबन 2 लाख गड्ढे बनाए, जिससे रेत और पत्थर साथ धंसकर ठोस होने लगे। By March 2004, the Palm Island was ready to get the luxurious decorative infrastructure over it. Thousands of workers were hired, who worked days and nights to install the gas pipes, electricity, water supply systems and buildings. Soon the foundation work was over and the infrastructures began to rise. Palm Jumeirah दुनिया भर से टूरिस्ट्स का स्वागत करने के लिए तैयार था। By 2006, the first residential units were ready for sale and within 3 hours each of them got booked. इसमें से सबसे कीमती घर इंग्लैंड के मशहूर फुटबॉलर डेविड बेकहम ने परचेज किया और 2009 तक यहाँ आलीशान विलाज, फ्लैट्स और तकरीबन दुनिया के 28 बेहतरीन होटल्स बन चुके थे। And today, around 10,000 people live in Palm Jumeirah. The island's breathtaking beauty requires daily maintenance and cleaning of water. More than just a monumental structure, Palm Jumeirah is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful creations that mankind has ever made. It's an emblem of imagination, creativity and true hard work. तो ये थी कहानी पाम जुमीरा की। We hope आपको ये एपिसोड जरूर पसंद आया होगा और अगर आपको ऐसी ही किसी मेगा स्ट्रक्चर या क्रिएशन के बारे में जानना हो तो हमें कमेंट्स में जरूर बताएं। That's all in today's episode. See you in the next one. Till then, don't forget to play Mind Wars only on the ZEE5 app.